Okay, if you're having trouble getting your curriculum map into the team drive, here's how you can do it. Go to wherever your document is currently being held, somewhere in your drive probably. Pull it up. From here, you don't even need to open it. You can click here and you get this drop-down menu, and then you can go to the Move To right here. It will move it to somewhere else in Google Docs or in your Google Drive. So from here, if you keep going back, because right now you're in a certain folder, wherever your folder is, if you keep going back, keep going back, keep going back, at some point you should get to where you can see the difference between My Drive and the team drives that you're a part of. So when you see My Drive and Team Drives, go into the Team Drive, find FMHS Curriculum Map, so it's the top one right here, click it to open, and then go to your folder. If you put Move here right now, it would go into the FMHS Curriculum Map. So whatever's up here at the top, that's where it's going to move it. So more specifically, now this is just an example, but let's go ahead and put it in PEs. To move here, I'm going to open up PE. Now it's going to go into the PE folder and hit Move here. Okay, and it's now being moved. If you'd like to make a copy, you can and move the copy in there, but we really want all the ones in these drives to be the active documents. So there's really no reason to make a copy of it anymore. Thank you, Bell. You can just be working then out of the team drive, and everyone will be able to see it and work on it long after all of us are gone. Okay, thanks.